First of all, a warm welcome to GlitzVisionUSA.
Thank you so much.
And I know I'm very tired and
Yes.
you have been shooting back to back. So first of all, I'm really grateful, thankful you agreed for the segment.
Thank you so much.
So first of all, birthday hai, kal. Tell me this one thing, after a certain age of birthday aata hai, normally, people is like, oh God, now hum bas mature ho rahe hain and we are going forward and forward. So, aapka wo kaisa? I mean, are you now normal and does that, now you're just moving ahead scares you?
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, we are humans and we have that sort of certain fears that ab hum bade ho rahe hain and the childhood is going away and we are becoming more mature adults और धीरे धीरे एक कहीं ना कहीं आप रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ रही हैं और आती जा रही है पिछले 4-5 सालों से आ ही रही है बट yes, you feel nice. But also at the same time you feel that, oh no, God, I mean, you're losing a childhood, you don't get back your innocence and your the phase that you have in those college days, school days and whatever. But yeah, on the contrary, I think birthday is always special for everyone and it should be exciting for everyone, and that is how it is for me.
Right. Okay, so tell me quickly, what are your birthday plans? Is there any? Have you figured out anything?
So yes, I am planning to celebrate with my friends and closed ones, not especially I mean, keeping the COVID rules in my mind, and also making sure that there's not too much of crowding unnecessary. So yeah, just celebrating as it should be. But unfortunately, I've witnessed, in fact, last year has been a toll on all of us, and especially a lot of people have lost out their birthday celebrations. Also, apart from that, work stress, career stress, and in fact, staying at home puts you down, because continuously being at home, it just brings down all your energy. So I feel you should always find a reason to celebrate and be joyous and be happy. And what more reason do you want? I mean, apart from your birthday, yeah.
Right. So, what do you wish for your birthday, personally and professionally? If there's one thing which you want to wish, what would be that?
I wish, in fact, that is what this year I, in fact, thought. Unfortunately, you're not able to go to any orphanages all because of COVID and all. So, whatever you can, I have urged and requested my people or people who love me or support me to support all the underprivileged children and also the people who are needy, and in fact the kids. So yeah, if you can help them out, and which is what I have seen. I've noticed a lot of cities, and I've seen people from different countries, in fact, helping out different people. So which is very good, and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for listening to me, and also I am grateful to you guys.
Right. Lastly, Parth, how has been the past year? I mean, of course, it has been difficult for everyone. You were also one who got affected by this thing. And so, how was the past year, and what are you expecting कि ये साल कैसा हो?
Well, it's been a roller coaster ride. In fact, not only for me, but also for all of us. I mean, COVID, then COVID for me, then coming out of it, then traveling, then shoot, then back-to-back shoots, then New Year's, then how just time passed by, and we in fact sit back and think with our friends that a year has passed, and Corona is 1 year old now. So happy birthday to it. But yeah, apart from that, we've been strong, and I think it's a tremendous achievement that we've pulled this, and because this was an unexpected circumstance for all of us in this world, and we've pulled up, we've been strong, and it has made us more stronger from within. In fact, we can carry out these memories in the future that yes, we lived through this.
Right. Okay. On this note, any message to your fans, because they love your birthday,
Yeah.
and it's like a mini festival for them. So any message for them, and then we'll cut the cake.
Well, I just want to say that with each passing year, you guys have been great, and always supporting me and making sure that my birthday goes well, and also your wishings and your blessings are more than enough. Trust me. Thankfully, this time you haven't sent enough cakes. Also, I don't need to get fat, but also at the same time you're helping the children, the people who are very old. In fact, they need some love and attention also, which is what you guys are giving. So thank you for that. Thank you so much for that. God bless you all, and I just believe in spreading happiness and love. Yeah.
Okay. On this note, we'll cut the cake.
Sure.
So I'll tell you, this cake is sent by your fan.
Okay.
Name is Pooja. So just
Pooja.
आप उनको बता के बस
Thank you so much, Pooja, for sending this cute little cake.
Happy birthday, Parth.
Thank you.
Okay, so Parth.
Yes.
Yeah. Any wish जो आप भगवान से मांगना चाहिए?
Definitely not to kill anyone with this
Yeah.
knife.
Yeah.
But
anything which you want. मन में.
in fact, I can tell it to everyone that I just for the next coming years, like everyone, I just want to be happy and content, and that is my whole desire, and which is very difficult because in today's age we want more, and we are in need of more and more, and we're working towards it. But yes, to some point we should feel that you know what, no matter what we have, it's the gratitude that we should have, and always be grateful to what we have achieved.
Right.
Thank
so
you.
on this beautiful note, just cut
Thank
the
you.
cake.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Happy birthday, Parth,
Thank
and
you.
may all your dreams come true.
Yes.
You achieve whatever you want.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
This for your fans.
This is for all you guys out there, and especially for sending this love, and also Pooja. Thank you so much. मैं खाऊं, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Parth Samthaan, and you're watching me on GlitzVisionUSA.